Everybody, this is Tawan from Money Travel Grow. I'm here in Guadalajara. Do me a favor before I begin. Like, share, or subscribe to this channel. Of course, this channel is to help you become location independent as well as financial independent, so you can travel the world by working a remote job in digital marketing. Now, I wanted to do a quick impromptu video here in front of the Grand Cathedral in Guadalajara. This is a place that a lot of people gather throughout pretty much every day, and they just chill with their family and things like that. But anyway, I want to share some good news. One of my students contacted me today, and he landed a six-figure job in digital marketing. Now, this is not a very common thing in terms of someone landing their first job, full-time professional job in digital marketing, not their first one. Usually it takes 1 to 2 years, but I wanted to share this news for those of you out here who may be considering either taking my course, getting some consulting, or anything like that. And actually, he was able to do it with a lot of patience, a lot of information. He applied to a lot of jobs. He told me that he had like 12 job interviews. However, it only took him 3 weeks to do it. So he really was putting in that work to get this done. So all I want to say about that is, congratulations to him. I'll be doing an interview with him pretty soon on the channel. And I want to give you guys a bit of encouragement that out there may be struggling, or you may be going through the interview process. Listen, take what you can from each interview, learn something, and just understand that it is a process. You may have to apply for 600, 700 jobs, but there is something out here for you. There's plenty of room out here for you, your talents, and your unique abilities. And it'll give you plenty of opportunities for you to grow, because ultimately the outcome and the goal of this is for you to put yourself in the best position possible so that you can live the kind of life that you want to live. I've been here in Guadalajara for about a month now, haven't missed a beat. I've been able to get all my work done with my job, and it's been a great experience. So if you're interested in being a social media manager, a paid media buyer, a paid search specialist, whatever the position you're looking for, I'm your man, and this is the course for you. So if you could, again, like, share, and subscribe, and please do take an opportunity to visit our Facebook group, which is Digital Marketing Career Starter, and a link should be below. So go ahead and check it out, become part of the community. I put a lot of information there on a weekly basis. And yeah, if you have any questions, I'm here to help. So again, have a great day. I'm going to continue to run around here and do the things I got to do. And I'm going to give you guys a quick little shot at the cathedral here in Guadalajara. It looks beautiful, right? So anyway, talk to you guys next time. Later.